This video will cover some of the basic functionality and basic tools of the new Common Web Mapping map viewer on MTO. The first step is to navigate to www.mtonline.gov.bc.ca. Here you will notice the two columns of map viewer options. There's the green Common Web Mapping options on the lower left, and the blue Internet Mapping Framework 2 options on the lower right. Depending on what titles are of interest to you, you must choose the appropriate map viewer. For example, if you are interested in researching and looking at mineral titles, then you must choose the Mineral Map Viewer under Common Web Mapping. In the map viewer, you will notice two toolbars in the top left corner and one toolbar in the top right corner. Focusing on the toolbars in the top left corner, to navigate around the map, make sure that the Pan tool is selected. This will allow you to move the entire map in the direction that you drag the mouse. The zoom function can be accessed through either the plus or minus symbols that are located in the top corner. You can also zoom by using the mouse wheel. The icon with the outline of the province of British Columbia located beneath the plus and minus symbols allows you to return to the extent of the entire province. The arrows beneath the slice icon allows you to go back and forth between the different extents that you have been looking at. The looking glass icon at the bottom of this toolbar is the search option. This function works great if you are looking for a geographic place such as a city or a river, a map sheet, or a coordinate location. You cannot use this tool to find a specific title or reserved site number. To find out more on how to search for specific cell or title information, please refer to our video on how to find cell title information. The icon located to the right of the panning tool in the top left horizontal toolbar is the Measure tool. This tool offers two options for measuring. You can measure an area by drawing a shape or polygon on the map, or you can measure a distance by drawing a line on the map. By choosing one of the icons, clicking on the map, then double-clicking to finish your shape measurement. You will get either an area and perimeter measurement for the polygon or a distance measurement for the line. These measurements will show up in the small box on the right. The third icon allows you to clear your measurement. The third icon from the left in this toolbar is the Identify tool. For more on this tool, please refer to our video that focuses on how to find cell title information in the Identify tool. The fourth icon is the Layer Import tool. This tool allows you to import your old shapefile into the Common Web Mapping platform. You may choose to upload a shapefile in a shapefile form or a zip form by using the Browse button and navigating to your file. Other options here include what color you would like your shapefile to show up as in the map viewer, as well as a projection and a brief summary and the title. The last icon in this toolbar allows you to clear any highlights that you have made from finding cells or finding mineral titles. The toolbar in the top right corner of the map viewer has four tools available. The first is the Online Help button, represented by a question mark icon. Clicking this will bring you to a help menu that goes over all of the Common Web Mapping functionality. The second icon is the Print option. For more on this, please refer to our video on printing, exporting, and sharing. The third icon is the Legend button. This will help you understand how each feature and layer is represented on the map. Only layers that are visible at the current map scale will be listed. The legend does not automatically update when the map scale has changed. Close and open the Legend window in order to see any changes made in the legend. The final icon in this menu bar is the Layers button. By selecting this icon, you may choose what layers are displayed on the map. You can check or uncheck boxes next to the layers to turn the visibility on and off. Layers appearing in italics and a lighter color tone are not visible at the current scale. If the text is non-italicized and in a darker shade of blue, this layer is visible at the scale. The layers automatically adjust the text style when the visibility changes. Layers are grouped under a specific theme called overlays. Click the overlay title to display a control panel to control the opacity of the overlay layer set. The layer and legend options will pop up in the same window on the right side of the map viewer. Clicking the small arrow in the top right corner of the box will keep this either in or on the outside of the map viewer. You can close this by selecting X. On the right side of the map viewer, you also have the option to find cell and find mineral titles. The text will be different for the Placer and Co map viewers. For one of these options, please refer to our video on finding cell titles information. To switch base maps, you must select the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the map viewer. This will open up a list of all the available base map options. To change the coordinate format of the current map viewer display, you can select the small arrow at the lower left corner of the map viewer. This will bring up a list of different formats to display the position of the cursor in the map viewer. Simply click on the coordinate system you wish to display, or click the down arrow to minimize the pop-up. The small lock on the right of the coordinate display will lock the display of coordinates. This means that the display will only refresh when the map is clicked with your mouse. The icon to the right of this allows you to display or hide the graticule shown in degrees and minutes. Notice that at this time you cannot bookmark pages in Common Web Mapping. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, you can contact the Mineral Titles branch by telephone at 1-866-616-4999 in between 8:30 to noon and 1 to 4:30 Pacific Standard Time, or by email at mineral.titles@gov.bc.ca.